Within As You Learn, when you go to My Media, if you want to create media to upload, you have two options, Express Capture and also Kaltura Capture. If you're doing just a very short recording, a response within a forum, Express Capture can be really nice. It doesn't require a special download of software, but it is best for short recordings. If you want to do something longer, I'm going to recommend that you use Kaltura Capture. So now I've come to As You Learn. I'm going to click the My Media link. When you go under Add New, I want to do a longer recording, so I'm not going to use Express Capture. I'm going to go to Kaltura Capture, but I've never used it before. When you come here, you'll have the option with Download for Windows or Download for Mac. You'll get the option to download the file. Then you're just going to choose where you save it to. In this instance, it saved the file to the Downloads folder, so I'm going to double click it. This is what installs Kaltura Capture. I'm going to click Next, Next, Install, and then click Finish. After installing it, I come back to this window, so I'm still not seeing Kaltura Capture, so I'm going to click My Media again. Go under Add New, choose Kaltura Capture. Here it's asking for permission to open with Kaltura Capture. And now it's ready to go. I see the record button. I have the option to record my screen, my webcam, or just the audio. If you click on one item, it can turn that off. So in this case, it would only record my screen and the audio. I hope this helps.